I'm going to introduce you to a method I've researched that uses the power of AI to create digital products and generate passive income. This one's a bit tricky, but you're in luck because with my guidance, you'll have no problem reaching the final product. If you watch throughout the end of this video, you should be able to 1. Utilize ChatGPT to generate ideas. 2. Explore different niches. 3. Use Canva to create digital products that customers are looking for. 4. Open your Etsy shop. 5. Rake in that passive income. In the world of creating and selling digital products on Etsy, using ChatGPT to speed up the process will increase your productivity. You'll discover strategies for finding best-selling products and learn how to design professional-looking digital goods on Canva. I'll walk you through opening an Etsy shop and guide you step-by-step on how to publish your products on Etsy the right way. Stick around for all the valuable insights on selling digital products. You won't want to miss a thing. It's crucial to offer products that people are eager to buy, and the key is to create something unique that sets you apart from the rest. That's where my research methods come into play. Where there are plenty of tools and methods out there for finding products, I've got a straightforward and effective approach for free. First, it's essential to have a solid concept of what you want to create. Go to chatgpt.com and ask the chatbot for popular digital products. It'll give you a range of broad ideas to choose from. For example, digital planners are consistently popular sellers, so we can focus on this product type. However, instead of digital, let's opt for printable planners. The next step is to focus on a specific niche. You can also consult the AI for niche ideas. Let's try going for a finance and money tracker kind of niche. Picture this, a printable planner tailor-made for those who want to keep track of their hard-earned cash. We're talking about moneymakers such as our viewers who are all about wealth and being responsible for how and where you spend your money. This planner won't just be any old organizer. It'll be the roadmap to becoming organized and responsible. So, let's get crafting. We're gonna need to do some research on Etsy to check out our product idea. We can start by typing in keywords like financial planner. You'll see results instantly. Now, we scroll through and see what grabs our attention. Once there's something promising, it's time to analyze the product and see what makes it tick. When you're browsing, focus on 2 key things. First, aim for products with a decent number of reviews. And second, keep an eye out for products that consistently receive new reviews. Why? Because if a product's getting regular fresh reviews, it's a pretty good indicator that it's selling like hotcakes. See here? This product's racking up reviews left and right, all posted recently. Plus, if it's getting multiple reviews on the same day, that's a big hint that it's flying off the shelves. And just a quick heads up, not many folks watching my videos hit that subscribe button. If you're vibing with this content and find it valuable, think about tossing a subscribe with notifications on. It's totally free and you can always unclick it later if you change your mind. That way, I can shoot you a heads up whenever I drop a fresh money-making strategy. Okay, let's break it down. First off, we're going to analyze what this product's all about. What's included, how many pages it's got, and what style they've gone for. Then, we'll dive into the reviews to see what folks dig and what they're not so crazy about. For example, customers may mention that the design's user-friendly. That's a hint for us to keep things simple and straightforward. Another review might say that there are too many options. So maybe we should consider a sleek one-page design. Basically, we're on a hunt for as much info as we can gather from these reviews. Once you've gone through all those reviews, you'll have a solid list of what folks are loving and what's not quite hitting the mark. Knowing what people want helps us craft something that's already got a proven track record. And by understanding what they're not into, we can tweak our product to make it even better. That's the formula for standing out and pulling in more customers. It's all about blending what people like with improvements based on what they're not so keen on to give you a unique, top-notch product. Now you can whip up something special that customers are specifically looking for. It's time to get creative using ChatGPT and Canva. I fired up ChatGPT and typed out the design and layout I had in mind. After a bunch of back and forth with the chatbot, I got this detailed layout to work with. Remember, it's not about straight-up copying. You can use it as a launching pad to save time. Once you've got a rough idea of what you're aiming for, it's on to the next step. Alright, let's get this design started on canva.com. Just type in what you're looking for and tons of templates will pop up, ready for you to use. From there, it's all about getting hands-on. tweak colors, switch up fonts, toss in some extra elements, and it's totally up to you. Canva's like your creative playground, so have fun with it and remember to take your time for the best quality. Once you're wrapped up designing your templates, it's time to get them ready for listing. Start by creating your listing images. Then, create individual images for each template, along with a brief description generated using ChatGPT. Now that your product and listing images are good to go, you're all set to open your Etsy shop and list your first product. Keep in mind that opening an Etsy shop is free, but each product listing costs 20 cents. So, get ready to showcase your amazing designs and start selling on Etsy. If you're down with the idea of aiming for financial freedom through passive income, just hit me with a yes and drop a comment mentioning what country you're from. This way, I'll know exactly where our viewers are from, and trust me, it'll help me tailor all my future videos for all of our subscribers. Ready to dive into setting up your store? You'll need to fill in some store details and personal info. Afterwards, Etsy wants you to list at least one product to open your shop. You can throw anything up there for now and delete it later if you want. First up, let's spruce up your shop profile. Add a catchy photo and banner to make your shop pop. And don't forget to add your own picture as the shop owner. It helps build trust with your customers when they visit your store. If you're feeling stuck on creating your Etsy listings, Canva's got your back with a ton of templates tailor-made for Etsy sellers. Once you're done there, head over to the listings section and add a new listing. Upload those listing images you created up on Canva. They'll really make your product shine. Type in a catchy product title that's packed with keywords to help buyers find your goodies. Take a peek at what your competitors are doing for some inspo. But remember, don't just copy and paste their stuff word for word. Next up, choose the right product category. Since we chose financial planners as an example, let's click on calendars and planners. Then, set that renewal option to automatic. And most importantly, make sure the product type is set to digital. Once you've got the basics down, it's time to dive into the juicy details about your product. Tell folks what's included, highlight its awesome features and benefits, and give them the lowdown on how to use it. If you're feeling a bit stuck on what to write, no worries, you can always rely on ChatGPT to create a description for you. Next up, it's all about those tags. Add some keywords related to your product to help shoppers find it easier. And when it comes to setting your price and quantity, my advice is to start low. Once you start racking up those sales, you can always bump up the price, totally up to you. When everything's all polished up, it's time to upload that PDF print file with all your awesome templates. That's what your customers will be snagging after they make a purchase. Hit that publish button and now you've officially listed your first product on Etsy. Keep churning out new products and listing them consistently. The beauty of selling on Etsy, especially digital stuff, is that you can sit back and let Etsy handle the heavy lifting. No need to stress about delivering the goods or collecting payments. They've got your back. The more listings you create, the higher your passive income gets. Now that you've learned how to leverage the power of ChatGPT and Canva to design and list your products on Etsy, it's time to put your newfound knowledge into action. So go ahead, open your Etsy shop, and start turning your creative ideas into a profitable passive income stream. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button below. It's a small gesture, but it means the world to us and helps us keep bringing you more awesome content like this. And hey, while you're at it, why not hit subscribe too? That way, you'll be the first to know about all the latest tips, tricks, and opportunities to make money online. Trust me, you won't want to miss out. Thanks for joining us on Fortune Innovators, where we make making money online an everyday reality. Until next time, happy earning!